Blue, you hungry? Blue, you hungry, buddy? Oh. Hey, y'all don't get too close. Good morning, everyone. This is Zay and A. Welcome to our channel. Out here right now, I'm loading up the truck with feed. I'm about to take that to the land. It's super heavy. Jacked up my nails. But it's just a lot I have to do today. It's just a lot we have to do, just in general. We're trying to move out of this rent house in like a week. And we got so much to do. We still gotta clean the IBC totes. We still gotta clean the barrels. We gotta clean up all this trash because we're not about to leave that. And load up the car with all our furniture and whatever we're bringing to the land. I'm gonna start doing that today. Loading it up. I meant to be doing that sooner than that, but yeah, we got a lot to do. And it's like I keep running into messes. Like I don't even know what happened. That was like medication for the sheep, and it busted in the car. Ugh. It's like you try to do one thing, and then you find other things to do. Just trying to get the feed in there, and now this. Now I'm gonna have to deal with this. Still gotta let the chickens out. I gotta feed Layla. Feed myself. It's so dang dark today too, and it's like cold. But that helps, honestly. I prefer that. So, I don't know. I'm gonna see what all I can get done today and go from there. Zay's at work right now, so it's just me. I'm doing this solo. So I'll see what all I can get done. Yeah. Hi, chickens. Yeah, I'm about to let them out. Feed them. I've been feeding them our produce scraps. They enjoy it. Okay, so right now I'm about to load up the car with a few barrels. I'm probably only gonna do 3. I don't know. I'll see how many I can fit in there. The problem is I cannot pull this latch down. Like, I can't. You have to like push really hard on the bottom, like under it, to open it. And I just can't do it. So I gotta move those water jugs out of the way. But I'll probably fit 3 in there. We'll see. lay it down like that because I don't know how to tie them in the truck to where it's sturdy enough. And I don't trust myself, so I'm just gonna do it that way. Okay, so I'm about to head to the car wash to go power wash those. Zay just texted me. He forgot his lunch, so I'm gonna go drop that off at his work. Um, Thankfully, he works close by the car wash, so it works out perfectly. Okay, so that was a complete fail. It's so dirty in here. I don't know what I was thinking of cleaning, trying to have something clean in such a dirty area. This isn't gonna work. I'm probably gonna have to clean it at the house because I cannot, the soap is not coming out. The spray thing is spraying too hard. This is just a disaster. And y'all saw the truck handle, well, to the truck bed, it broke off. So, yeah, this is bad. I don't know. I don't know what we're gonna do. It's just been hell trying to clean these barrels. We don't have like really any good water source right now to use to clean these things. So I don't know. I still think we're better off doing it at home, so that's what I'm gonna do. I just don't need that falling open on the highway. I'm heading home. That was a complete disaster. I kept having to spray the barrel, like the soap would not come out. And there's probably still soap in it. So the only thing I can think of doing is just filling up the barrels with water and just letting it overflow, and hopefully that pushes out the soap. But we'll see. That was bad. Also, I broke the truck bed handle. So I don't know if we're going to be able to open the truck bed. I don't know how to even replace those handles. It was already kind of raggedy, so I should have been more careful. I didn't think I was going to break off the handle, but yeah, so Zay is not going to be happy. He's not going to be happy when he finds that out. I was just trying to clean that because I just want us to have a clean place for water right now. Nothing is clean to store water. So, yeah, I'm going to try to just fill them up at home and go from there. That's all I can think of doing. Yeah, I'm very sad that the truck bed handle is broken. I guess the chicken's like going on top of the truck now. What are you doing? Why? Let me see here. See how bad the damage is. I didn't really look at it. Yeah, like the handle is completely gone. This is all that's left. That's crazy. Okay, so I was able to pull it down. Sorry. I would have recorded it, but I just didn't want to. I was able to get it down. It was very hard. Kind of hurt my hand a little bit. Not really. Just really my pinky, but I feel awful, honestly. I feel so bad. I broke the door. Like, this is really bad because, I mean, we like to leave the truck bed door down like that sometimes to have more room and just to move stuff easier. I don't know. I don't know anything about cars or trucks. Like, I don't know how easy it is to fix that. But if I'm able to get it open, I know Zay is. A little piece broke off when I was trying to open it, though. So I'm just scared. We keep opening it, the whole thing is going to break. But, I don't know. For now, we're just going to kind of struggle with opening it. But, I don't know. Maybe we can somehow replace this. But I don't really know how that works. Yeah, I'm going to move this stuff. And yeah, that was a fail. But I learned. Okay, I made it to the land. I'm about to feed the sheep now. Oh, sorry for my hand. Blue, where are you, buddy? Blue, you hungry? Blue, you hungry, buddy? Aw. I'm happy. I didn't bring any water with me, but I had a feeling their water is full. And honestly, rainwater is better than well water. Some of the feed we have went bad, so it went bad because it got rained on. It's nice. We've been putting the feed in the house now. But they got rained on before we had the shed. I don't know. This is the grain that went bad. It has mold in it. And the moldy, like, food that, like, I don't know. What I meant to say, that all the stuff that got ruined when it got wet, we've been giving it to the chickens. The chickens been liking it. I'm hoping that that's the only bag that's moldy. This one I brought from home, so. Alright, I'm about to feed the sheep. Blue! Alright, I'm about to feed the sheep. Got the feed here. The sheep, it must have just rained because they look like soaked. Hey, they be stomping their feet when they hungry. Hey, y'all don't get too close. I didn't turn this off. I'm hoping their troughs don't have water in it, but I'll see. I'm gonna check first before I bring the feed in there. They trample me. Alright, so like I knew, there was water in here. So I'm gonna empty the water out and feed them. I might also get them some hay, and then I'm gonna have to change out their mineral because now it's mineral soup. That's just water. I don't even think they're eating it. Yeah, hi. Hi, you hungry? Yeah, you hungry. You like the camera? They got plenty of water, so that's my least concern. Alright guys, I'm gonna hurry up and eat some feed. If I was thinking, I would have poured out all of them into that one, because that actually those troughs caught a bunch of rainwater. Okay, so it's starting to look kind of cloudy. I mean, like darker. I don't know if it might rain again, so I think I'll give them a little bit of hay and a little bit of mineral, but not too much if it's just gonna get wet. If it gets wet, they're not gonna eat it, and then it gets moldy.